Of all the items that have been added to Minecraft in recent years, the crafter must be the most underused and underrated. But today I'm going to change that. If you watch this video, I'll show you why the crafters are extremely useful. So this is a crafter. As you can see, it has 9 slots, just like a crafting table. Each of these slots, when selected or filled, gives a redstone signal of 1. The comparator here is constantly looking at the status of a crafter and translates it into a redstone value. The signal goes out, up, and around in 9 redstone steps, and when full, fires a signal back into the crafter. So if 3 slots are filled or selected, we can see that our line of redstone has 3 lit up. And here, when 7 slots are taken, the signal goes around to the 7th redstone slot. So how do we get it to craft items? Well, to do that we need to know the crafter's rules. First, once a crafter receives a signal, it will craft if possible. It must be a single pulse. For example here, we can't load the crafter up in advance, as it will stop after the first signal. So if we use a hopper to load the materials, the crafter can craft single items. The redstone signal will reset, and it loads it back up until all 9 slots are selected or filled. It's really powerful for your farms and super easy to build. So first we place the crafter on the ground and put a hopper going into the top of it. Place a chest in front and a building block at the back. Place your comparator down with the 2 lights facing in next to the block so it can read the signal from the crafter. Run 3 redstone dust from the comparator, a glass block with redstone on top, and another glass block as shown with redstone on 2. Glass allows redstone to travel through it. 3 more building blocks, and run 4 redstone dust along the line back into the crafter. And that's it. It's that easy. You can now set your recipe in the crafter and it will continually craft as long as materials are going into it. Using these iron ingots, let's craft some iron blocks. First we make the block recipe. In this case it needs all 9 slots open. You can see there's no redstone signal being given yet. Put some iron ingots in the hoppers, and as they fill the spaces in the crafter, we can see the redstone glow as they fall into place, until it makes its way back here for the 9th signal. The crafter receives that signal, makes the block, and the process repeats. As you can see, it gives a visual red flash each time it crafts. It's now stopped, and looking at the redstone here, we should know how many items are left in the crafter. That's right, 1 redstone equals 1 item. Want shears instead? Just create the template in the crafter. We block out 7 slots, so the only 2 open are these, in the shape of shears. That gives a starting redstone reading of 7, so just 2 are needed to be lit to craft the item. This will make crafting quicker than the blocks, and we'll see this when we load the hopper. As an added bonus, this design is one-bot tileable, meaning you can make it multiple times, right next to each other, and they all work independently. Ideal for large farms. So if we put iron trapdoors in the first one, iron bars in the second, water buckets here, and iron doors in this final crafter, you can see them all working at different times without interference of each other, despite the different recipes. I hope you now feel more comfortable with the crafter and its mechanics. What I've shown you today is just a fraction of its potential, so go out and explore and experiment. Thanks for watching, and if you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and or comment. It really helps. And maybe consider subscribing for more Minecraft content. Bye for now.